TouchFuture currently trading 0.401147. It has been making huge moves. For this video, 217% up. It hasn't got the market cap out yet because it's pretty new cryptocurrency, but it is number 3,133 on the list, and its ticker is TF. Now, guys, to break down what is TouchFuture, let's go to their website. Now, first is the long-term TouchFuture project has begun in May 2021 with a strategic aim to produce an ecosystem that provides rewards to holders in several ecosystems, as well as online store for NFT customized products through our token. Our first token in the project of TF, which is TouchFuture, delivered its first rewards on the BSC chain, our merchandise store, and our first dashboard app. Dashboard app. More importantly, TF established a community of developers, moderators, and investors with enthusiasm to see the entire project grow and fulfill its potential. All right, so for this, guys, I will go through the website a little bit. Let's see what markets you guys can get part of TouchFuture, okay? TouchFuture is only so far on pancakeswap. Now, I've talked about pancakeswap quite a bit. Their current trading volume that they have on pancakeswap is 1.892 million. So if that's the only way you can get a part of it, maybe you can get part of their website. I will check it out. Let's go through the rest of it. So when it comes to price ratings, once again, no price rating does not mean it's a bad or good cryptocurrency. Just shows that a third party or another company has not gone through it to see their cryptocurrency, what it's about. So just as it is what it is, guys. Now let's get to the news. No news when it comes to this, but they do have news on their Twitter page, which I will go through. But when it comes to CoinMarketCap, guys, there's no news for it. Let's go to their website, guys. Now, TouchFuture, Future Evolved. Now, if you guys want to watch more about what their video, if you want to learn more, please go to their website. You guys can learn more about it. I just read over some of their basic things when it comes to it. The utility, when it comes to the NFT marketplace, the NFT online store, the NFT music platform. So they have some utility to it. It's not just a meme coin. So that is what it is. Not saying it's a good coin or bad coin. I'll let you guys make that judgment call. But I just like that coins actually have some utility. Meme coins to me just seem like they're just a cash grab for the most part of it. So here's their website breakdown, guys. If you guys want to learn more, please check it out. Obviously, I do like how they have their team there with pictures, not some, fake icons where they can basically run and grab the money. But here's their social medias, but let's check out their Twitter page down here. All right. So Twitter, they got 16,600 followers. They are a relatively new cryptocurrency. Doesn't mean they're a bad one. Just some people like to get on the ground floor with a cryptocurrency. I like to wait and establish some data. But here's their news. They're posting their stuff on CoinMarketCap. Here's the stuff for their website. But there's not any distinctful news that I found that was like, oh, okay, this is really popping out. This is really good. They do have a referral program. If you're thinking about getting part of that, you can check it out. They have some interesting merch for their NFTs. So that's it. Twitter page, guys. Follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. Talk about political stuff, trading, investing, stuff I don't do so much on this YouTube channel. Gotta keep it PG on there. But let's get to their price rating. So when it comes to their price ranking, guys, it's not that much. It's similar to a very new cryptocurrency. We're talking about something that has very, very small amount because it's 0.402. So very, 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 very small amount. Now, would you put your would I put my life savings, my entire savings account, my risk money? No. New cryptocurrencies, I treat them kind of like IPOs. I like to wait and watch. If I was going to get into a new cryptocurrency, I would dollar cost average in, measure my risk by this. So it opened up at this price down here, which is relatively small. So their open is 0.501. Cool. If the price goes down there, I will look about entering. But if it gets down lower, I was just kind of cut my losses because I don't want to get into a cryptocurrency that goes from this small amount to 7 zeros and a 1. It can always go down lower, guys. Don't expect that every cryptocurrency that you buy into goes straight to the moon. That's what most people expect it to do. For me, I mean, a lot of these cryptocurrencies coming out. We're talking about what 20, maybe 50, or sometimes 100 cryptocurrencies come out every single day. So a new one like this, it might be some worthwhile to get into. It might not be. Not you have to find more data about it. There's not much information on such a new cryptocurrency. It's only been off 4 or 5 months, especially on this market right here. So 4 or 5 months, it's not a lot, data for people to get. So people who trade technical analysis, they're not just like kind of hodl for this position. So for me, guys, it's gonna be no risk money, dollar cost averaging, and also plan the entries. Enter once a week, every other Monday. Just plan your trade or a hodl position, whatever you want to put it as, and don't risk. I would not risk so much on this. You're getting in at such a small price, so if it does go up to 10 cents, you're talking about like the percentages are so insane. 5 zeros, 1 to 1 to 10 cents or even $1. That's insane. That's a huge gain. There might be liquidity problems when selling. Understand that. On paper, you might be a millionaire, but when it comes to exiting, you might not even get close to that. So I don't even talk about liquidity so much on here because, I usually deal with bigger cryptocurrencies. Small cryptocurrencies, you might have liquidity problems. So understand that. But, guys, that's the price prediction. I hope that gave you some value, but let's get to my website. Here's AndreJMcClellan.com, guys. I have indicators on here for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. If you want to trade the web version on there, just click this, 4 and 5. But here's the home page. I put some cryptocurrency news on there and also some of the stuff for Forex. So if people will trade Forex, I have that available. If you guys are looking for free indicators, there's indicators that I back tested. They don't repaint. They don't do any re-imaging. Also, if you guys are looking for making a custom indicator, EA, or trading bot, you guys can hit me up. I also have this available. And we can talk about the pricing and how I can create it for you and what you desire. Also, if you're looking for gold, silver statistics, or even statistics in general, I'm adding 2 more pages, and that's going to be the country pages where you guys can find out statistics like unemployment, federal funds rate, stuff like that, repo rates. And that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.